आज आमचो हो जो प्रोटेस्ट आसा, आज बीजेपी हांगा जेंका लोकांनी झिडकारले गोंयान, जेंका 21 13चेर हाडून बसयल्या, जे ओपोजिशनान बसपाक तांकां सांगलेले ते लोक आज दादागिरी करून म्हणजे कशे तरी आपलो पावर मिसयूज करून तेंच्यांनी हांगा आज सरकार स्थापन करपाक ते येयल्ले आसा. हे आमी गोंयकार कशेच म्हणजे मानचेत ना, कित्याक गोंयकारांनी जे आतां आमदार तेंच्यान सपोर्ट घेतला तांकां एंटी बीजेपी लोकांनी वोट केल्लो. जे बीजेपीचे थंय कॅन्डिडेट आशिल्ले तरी आसतना बीजेपीच्या लोकांनी बीजेपीच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक उडोवन जे बाकीचे कॅन्डिडेट आसा तांकां निवडून हाडले आनी त्या आमदारांक घेवन आज हे सरकार करता. आनी आमी काँग्रेस पार्टीचे जे 17 सीट येयल्या तांकां आज म्हणजे जेंकां लोकांनी पुरे मॅन्डेट दिल्ले आसा तांकां आज सरकार करपाक मेळना. म्हणजे हे खंय तरी डेमोक्रेसीचे आमचे मर्डर आसा, गळचेपी आसा. आनी हे आमी गोंयकार म्हणून कशेंच आमी ओगी रावून हांगा आयकून घेवचे ना. आनी हे खंय तरी डेमोक्रेसीचो हे पावर उरपाक जाय, लोकांची लोकशाही म्हणटा ती उरपाक जाय जिती. म्हणून आमी आज सगळे लोक हे गोंयकारांक उलो मारलेले, सगळे गोंयकार येयल्ले आसा हांगा, इरिस्पेक्टीव ऑफ पार्टीज एंड लायक दॅट. मिन्स इट इज नॉट ऑफ पार्टी एनी पार्टी. आतां मणिपुराकूय सेम चल्लेलें आसा. म्हणजे हे कशें चल्लां आतां, म्हणजे तुजो जो पॉलिटिकल पावर आसा, जो मनी पावर आसा, तेजे हांगा पुरेपूर हांगा उपयोग केलो वता. म्हणजे हम करे सो कायदा, ही फॅसिझम हे डिक्टेटरशीप हांगा चालू जाल्ली आसा. आनी अशें तर जालें जाल्यार हांगा लोकांच्या आवाजाक कांयच म्हत्व उरपाना. आज जर आमी गोंयकार ओगी घरान न्हिदून रावले जाल्यार फाल्यां सकाळीं हे सत्तेर आतां हे सत्ता घडयता ते सत्तेर हेतून लोकांची कितें हालत कर. कित्याक 5 वर्सां लोकांनी रडले म्हणून हेंकां भायर उडयले. हेंची दादागिरी हेंची खूब वाडलेली म्हणून लोकांनी हेंकां पुरे भायर उडयले. तरी आसतना हे आपूण सरकार करता. म्हणजे हे कितले हेंची स्कॅमां आसा, हेंचे जे करप्शन आसा ते हेंकां परत लुटपाक जाय. गोंय हेंच्यांनी लुटून बीजेपी वाल्यांनी काबार केले ते हेंकां कंटिन्यू करपाक जाय. म्हणून हेंकां सत्ता जाय. हे आज सत्तेच्या भायर रावूंक शकना हे तेणी आज दाखवून दिल्लें आसा. आनी आमी हांचो निशेध करता आनी गोंयकार सगळे आज भायर सरलेले आसा. आनी आमी गोंयकार हेंकां ओगी रावचे ना.
आमी कितें म्हणटात, 17 जाण हांव आंतोनेट डायस फ्रॉम आसोलना, एक्स सरपंच ऑफ आसोलना. हांव कितें म्हणटा, 17 जाण आमी काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट आमी बरे भाशेन मेहनत घेवन जावं 17 जावं 17 जिखले. लोकांन सद्या मेजॉरिटी काँग्रेसाक दाखयली आनी 13 जाण आमगे बीजेपीचे जिखले. ओके, कोणाचे मत प्रमाणे जिखले जाल्यार आतां गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करपाक हेरांनी आपले चोवपाक जाय मेजॉरिटी कोण जिखले त्याच्या सायडीन वचपाचें.
गव्हर्नरान तुका इन्वायट करपाक
So that's the saddest part of it. That's what we are protesting. We are not for the Congress or we are not for any particular party. We are protesting the morality of the entire system.
You meaning it has false morality?
False morality. I'm just telling you, they lost 6 ministers. They lost their CM. They lost the mandate. What are they looking for? You know, after demonetization, tell me, the only party that has got money, can anyone tell me this? Can you tell me, which is the party that has the money now? That's it. You know, ultimately it's just money. You know, Vijay Sardesai has been a personal friend for several years from his youth Congress days. Okay, and that is the saddest part of it.
Just the opposite. Independent.
Have you met him? Have you spoken to him?
No, I tried WhatsApping him, but he has not answered. My name is Eric Pinto.
In just another 10 minutes, Goa's illegitimate government will be sworn in. And before this government is being sworn in, we are having a short condolence meeting here. Because this government will be very short-lived. Because this government is coming to power by the back door. This government is a very unprincipled formed government. My dear friends, please, let us keep it very short. My dear friends, I am very thankful to all of you for having come here for the sake of Goa at a very short notice. In fact, on the 11th of March, when the last results came in around 8:30, I was a bit relieved. I felt after 40 years of fighting, there was a hope that we may get a good government. Now, Devika, please. But through the back door, this government is being formed, and I would like that this new chief minister who is coming today through the back door, who was Goa's most corrupt chief minister, I would like to remind him that what has shaken me most is the concern shown last evening by Goans across the world. I received over 1,000 messages from Goans in every country of the world saying that they were praying for Goa, that this harm being done to Goa now, that some miracle may save Goa. Goans across the world are praying today and are very disturbed that a party which was reduced to a minority through the back door are trying to come to power, and in another 5 minutes this government will be in power. While blaming the BJP, I would primarily blame my friend of many years, Mr. Vijay Sardesai. I would blame Vijay Sardesai, his two MLAs,
A traitor to Goa and the people
Rohan
of Goa.
Kaunte, who have for selfish monetary gains and for the sake of power sold their hearts, their conscience if they had any, and they are on their way to sell Goa. As I said this morning on social media, his deal by Vijay Sardesai and Rohan Kaunte and Michael Lobo and his other two MLAs was not cooked on 11th of March. This was planned around 2 weeks earlier, and the total amount involved in this deal is over 1,000 crores. Shame on you, Vijay. I felt ashamed that Vijay comes from a very illustrious family. His uncle Ravindra Kelekar must be today rolling in the grave wherever he is, seeing that his nephew has sold Goa for a song. This agitation against this illegitimate government starts today. They have today, under police protection, been able to take oath. But I would like to remind these ministers that from tomorrow, they will face the brunt of the people, and my dear friend Karthik Kashyap will not be there around to protect them through the day. Your police protection is limited only for the day. From tomorrow, it will be the people of Goa who will be at your doorstep. We will see how you all will function as ministers, because you all have come through the wrong means. You have fooled Goa. You said you stand for Goya, Goinkar and Goinkar Pond. It has been 14 Pond all the way. I would end my few words by just saying that after 40 years of fighting, I have now all the energy, and I assure the people of Goa, and I thank the support I'm getting from across the world. We will get Goans to show this government that they could not have come through the wrong door. they should have come with clean hands. And I would give a challenge to Vijay, his group and Rohan. Please resign, join the BJP and get as the BJP. I would also like, 1 minute, I would also like to remind Vijay once again today, every meeting that we addressed over the years, even till a few weeks ago, Vijay Sardesai always said that the Congress may be better, but the BJP and Manohar Parrikar are communal and corrupt. How did that all change overnight for 1,000 crores? Now may I request our Reverend Father Eremito Rebelo to say a few words.
There are elections, and elections are held to know.
This is democracy.
5 minutes. Please let Father speak.
In a democracy, elections are held to know the will of the people. Who is supposed to govern them. And there is clear sign that people of Goa don't want BJP. The ballot boxes have spoken very, very clearly that BJP is unwanted in Goa. And yet, you can see that this government, the BJP, is so corrupt to the core that they want to rule us against our will.
Like dictators. They are dictators. They are not democratic.
I have already sent an SMS to Vijay Sardesai that he is offending his ancestors like Ravindra Kelekar, who fought with us. We were together for fighting so many issues like 9066 and all those. He was with us. And Ravindra Kelekar was such a man who stood up to save the Goinkar pond. But Vijay Sardesai and all the betrayal kala Goinkanacho. I still appeal to Vijay Sardesai. Tuka tuja jantancho ashirwad jai. Still you have time. For the sake of the future generations, you have gone the wrong way. Come back and be with the people and stand up for the issues for which you stood up. Thank you.
On behalf of all the voters of Goa, especially all those voters who voted for change, I am sending a clear call to all of our Goans. It is now or never. Through this medium, I appeal to every Goan. Do not stay silent in your homes. Wake up, walk out, and stop the destruction of our state. Mr. Parrikar is not an elected representative of the state. He left the state a few years ago and went to join the central ministry. Then, why did he come back? It is very clear that Mr. Parrikar has his own selfish designs on the state. Along with the people in the BJP entire government has done nothing but brought nothing but destruction to the state in the last 5 years. And that is why the people of Goa, in a resounding voice of vote, went out and destroyed the BJP government. They, from 20 MLAs, they came down to only 13. That was a clear sign that the people of Goa did not want the BJP in power anymore. Mr. Vijay Sardesai, Mr. Rohan Kaunte, and all your groups in the MGP, Goa Forward, and the Independents, you have sold your soul. You have You have compromised the rights of our future Judas. And you will never be spared. Our generations will curse you. You have destroyed Goa by going. You have destroyed Goa. We are a peaceful state. It has never ever been such a thing where people had to come out and agitate like they are agitating today. But you have made us come out. It means you are worse than all the previous governments. It means that you have no credibility, no self-respect. You are a destructive force. That's all. I say go back, BJP. Go back.
Governor should have done this very letter signed by Davlikar and given to the governor is dated 12/3/2016. There is no moral right on this government to take office today, and this is the public opinion. We may be small number here, but there are thousands and thousands people behind us who want to see this government how they perform on Thursday, and they will be paying for everything that they start on Thursday at the confidence motion. This is all that I want to say.
विजय सरदेसाई फिक्सर म्हटलो फिक्सर आता तो सत्ते खातीर त्याच्या खातीर सिक्सर जालो. दुसरी गोष्ट आज यशवंतराव चव्हाणाची जयंती यार जो संरक्षण मंत्री आमचा असलो पण त्याच्या पयलीं तो महाराष्ट्राचो मुख्यमंत्री जेन्ना उलो मारलो तेन्ना तो धावलो खंय दिल्लीक संरक्षण मंत्री जावपा खातीर. कित्या खातीर तर हिमालय तेका एक डायलॉग मारलो हिमालय वाचोवपा खातीर सह्याद्री आयलो म्हणून. आणि हो आमचो संरक्षण मंत्री सत्ते खातीर खुर्चे खातीर आणि बहुजनाचो सत्यानाश करपा खातीर आयलो आसा गोंयान आयलो आसा. वोटिंग पोणा करप्शन हे करपा खातीर ह्या मनोहर पर्रीकराक सांगूंक सोदता जितले यू टर्न मारलेले आहा ते बहुजन समाजा खातीर घातक जाल्ले आहा. आणि ह्या बहुजन समाज एकदा उठलो हो गोंयकार उठलो तर तुजी सगळी फुट्टली कशी.